Hello guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to Learn English Zone. Today we have a simple and fun English story called The Birthday Surprise. It's perfect for beginners to practice listening, reading, and learning English in an easy way. So relax and enjoy the story. And don't forget to subscribe for more English stories every week. Part 1. The Secret Plan. Anna sat at the kitchen table. She looked at the calendar. Tomorrow was a special day. Her mom's birthday. Dang, Anna thought, I want to do something nice for Mom. I want to make her smile. She did not have much money. She could not buy a big gift. But she had an idea. I will make a card, she said softly. And maybe I will bake a cake. Anna smiled. She felt excited. This would be a secret plan. She whispered, Mom will be so happy tomorrow. Part 2. The Birthday Card. Anna went to her room. She opened her school bag and took out some paper, scissors, and colored pencils. She thought, a card from the heart is better than any store gift. First, she cut the paper into a big rectangle. Then she folded it carefully. On the front, she drew a big red heart and some little flowers. Inside, she wrote, Happy birthday, Mom. You are the best mom in the world. Love, Anna. She read the words again. They made her smile. She put the card under her pillow, safe and secret. Anna whispered, Step 1, done. Now, Step 2, the cake. Part 3, the cake plan. Anna went to the kitchen quietly. She opened the cupboard and found flour, sugar, and cocoa powder. Says, Good, we have what I need. Then she checked the fridge. There were eggs, butter, and milk. Anna remembered seeing her teacher make a simple chocolate cake in school. She thought, if my teacher can do it, maybe I can too. She took a notebook and wrote, Mix flour, sugar, cocoa, and eggs. Add milk and butter. Stir well. Put in the oven. Wait. Anna tied her hair back and put on an apron. She said to herself, I can do this. Give it a lick, and she cracked the first egg. Splash! It fell on the floor. Anna laughed. Okay, maybe I need practice. But she didn't give up. She cleaned the floor, cracked another egg carefully, and began to mix the ingredients. Soon, the bowl was full of chocolate batter. She smiled. Step 2 is working. Part 4. The surprise. The cake was in the oven. Anna cleaned the table and the floor. She wanted the kitchen to look nice. Soon, the sweet smell of cake filled the house. Just then, Anna heard the door open. Her mom was home from work. Anna ran to the door and shouted, Happy birthday, Mom! She gave her mom the card. Her mom opened it, read the words, and smiled. Oh, Anna, this is the best card ever. Then Anna brought the cake. It was a little funny looking, but it smelled wonderful. Her mom's eyes filled with tears. You made this for me? She asked. Anna nodded. Yes, Mom, I wanted to make your day special. Her mom hugged her tightly. This is the sweetest birthday gift. Thank you, my darling. They sat together, ate the cake, and laughed. It was not perfect, but it was full of love. That night, Anna thought, love makes birthdays beautiful. A happy evening. After dinner, Anna and her mom sat on the sofa. The cake was almost gone. One said, Anna, this is the best birthday I've had in years. Anna asked, Really? Even if the cake was not perfect? Her mom laughed. Perfect doesn't matter. What matters is love, and you gave me so much love today. Anna felt proud. She had learned something new. Sometimes mistakes don't matter if the heart is true. Later, they watched a movie together. They ate popcorn and talked. Her mom held Anna's hand and whispered, "You made me feel special." Anna smiled and thought, "Maybe next year I will make an even better cake." That night, before sleeping, she wrote in her little diary, "Love is the best gift. Even small efforts make people happy. Birthdays are about family, not things." She closed her diary and whispered, "Good night, birthday." Part 6. A Promise for Next Year. The next morning, Anna woke up early. She remembered her mom's smile from last night. It made her heart warm. She went to the kitchen and saw her mom making tea. Her mom said, "Good morning, birthday helper." Anna laughed. "Good morning, birthday queen." They both smiled. Then Anna said softly, "Mom, I want to make you a promise." Her mom looked curious. "What promise, my dear?" Anna stood tall and said, "Next year, I will bake the most beautiful cake. I will learn, I will practice, and it will be perfect for you. We bake something special." Her mom touched Anna's hair and said, "Sweetheart, I don't need a perfect cake. I only need you. But if you want to learn, I will help you." Anna felt happy. Together they made a plan. Every month, they would bake something small. Cookies, muffins, or little cakes. They were not only about baking. It was about spending time together, about laughing, learning, and making memories. Anna wrote in her diary that night, "A promise is like a seed. If you care for it, it grows. Learning is fun when you do it with love. Next year will be even more special." Before sleeping, she whispered, "I can't wait for your next birthday, Mom." End of tiring. Part 7. Baking Together. A few weeks later, Anna and her mom started their plan. One Saturday morning, Anna said, "Mom, today let's bake cookies." Her mom smiled. "Good idea. Let's do it." They went to the kitchen. Anna brought the flour, sugar, and eggs. Her mom showed her how to measure carefully. Anna asked, "Why do we measure, Mom?" Her mom said, "Because baking is like magic. If we put too much or too little, the magic changes." They mixed the dough together. Anna laughed when flour went on her nose. Her mom said, "You look like a snowman." When the cookies baked, the kitchen smelled sweet. Ding! The oven beeped. Anna opened it and saw golden cookies. "Wow! They look amazing!" she shouted. Her mom took a bite. Crunchy and soft. Perfect! Anna smiled proudly. This time, there were no mistakes. That night, Anna wrote in her diary, "Practice makes us better. Fun is part of learning. Baking with Mom is the best." She hugged her mom and whispered, "We are a great team." Part 8. A Small Party. 1 month later, Anna had an idea. She said, "Mom, let's invite Grandma and Uncle Tom for dinner. We can bake again." Her mom smiled. "That sounds wonderful, Anna. Let's make it a small party." They cleaned the house together. Anna put flowers on the table. Her mom cooked dinner, and Anna made cookies again. In the evening, Grandma and Uncle Tom arrived. "Happy late birthday," they said to Anna's mom with hugs. They ate together, laughed, and told stories. Uncle Tom said, "Anna, these cookies are delicious. Did you make them?" Anna nodded proudly. "Yes, I baked them with Mom." Grandma smiled. "You are growing into a little chef." Anna felt happy and confident. She thought, the best gifts are not things. The best gifts are love, time, and family. That night, after everyone left, Anna hugged her mom tightly. "Mom, I loved our small party." Her mom kissed her head and said, "Me too, Anna. You made it special." Anna went to bed with a big smile. She whispered, "Every day can feel like a birthday when there is love." Great job. My friends, thank you for listening to the birthday surprise. Remember, listening to stories is a great way to improve your English. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. And write in the comments, what is the best birthday gift you ever gave or received? See you in the next lesson here on Learn English Zone.